Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and launching diagnostics. First, make sure Windows 11 and the Steam Link app are fully updated. Outdated builds commonly trigger error 451. Once done, test your network. Put both PC and client on the same LAN, prefer wired, and run a quick ping to verify latency. Then temporarily disable any VPNs, proxy settings, and the Windows firewall for a short test. This isolates whether a network blockage causes the 451 code. Next, inspect services and networking on your host machine. You should open services and ensure the Steam client service is running and set to automatic so streaming can initialize reliably. Once that's confirmed, check port accessibility. Steam Link relies on ports like 27036-27037 UDP and a range of 27015-27030. Make sure your router and Windows allow them. Use Netstat and Resource Monitor to detect port conflicts or other programs binding those sockets. Finish by applying resets and, if needed, a reinstall. Restart both your PC and the Steam Link client, then attempt to repair. Many transient 451 errors resolve after a clean restart. If pairing keeps failing, clear the Steam Link cache on the client or reinstall the app to remove corrupted settings. Finally, if the error persists, reset your router's NAT settings, try a different network to isolate ISP issues, and then re-enable firewall rules while allowing Steam ports. This typically cures stubborn 451 cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.